Hazrat Urwa reports that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, "We, on the occasion of the farewell pilgrimage, went out along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and put on the ihram for Umrah. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whosoever has a sacrificial animal should put on the ihram for the Hajj and Umrah and take it off only after performing the both. When I reached Makkah Mukarramah, I started menstruating. When we had completed our Hajj, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent me to Tan'im along with Hazrat Abdul Rahman, and I performed the Umrah. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is in lieu of your missed Umrah. So who had put on the ihram for Umrah, they made circuit, then took off the ihram and made circuit again on their return from Mina, and those who had combined the Hajj and the Umrah, they made the circuit only once." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1638.